Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add widgets in the Windows 11. So first, before you add the widgets on your Windows, you need to enable the widgets first. So what you need to do is just right click on the taskbar in here and go to the taskbar settings. And in here under the taskbar items, you can see widgets. You can just turn it on by clicking on this tool. And now once it's on, you can see this is the widgets on the Windows 11. And if you want to add a new one, you can see this is the default widgets. If you want to add a new one, here you need to click on this plus icon to add a new widgets and find the widgets that you want. There are few categories that you can add: instant play, phone link, photos, sport, Spotify, tips, traffic, watch list, weather. If you want to find more, you can click on this, find more widgets, and you'll be directed to the Microsoft Store like this. So you can just find the widgets that you want. There's all this Windows clock, Facebook, Messenger, Spotify, everything. So you can just choose which one and you can just install it first and you can add it into the widgets. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.